If you use an iPad Pro, I think I found the best monitor you can get to use with your iPad Pro. So this is the Huawei Mateview monitor, and let's take a quick look around it. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this monitor completely out of my own pocket. So this is a 28-inch 4K plus display with a very unusual 3:2 aspect ratio. Now, this is the aspect ratio or screen shape that you get on an iPad Pro. There's a 94% screen to body ratio, which means it has some really nice thin bezels all the way around the screen. And this was one of the main reasons why I picked it up. I really think it looks like something that Apple would have designed, and really similar to that of the £5,000 XDR display from Apple, even if the display isn't quite up to that level. I've been really impressed with the image quality coming out of this monitor. Blacks look deep and HDR videos are bright and vivid. There's a nice selection of ports, and I can confirm they do work with the iPad Pro too. So this means you can use the standard USB ports and plug in an external hard drive into your iPad via the monitor. The Mateview features two 5-watt front-facing speakers, and let's be honest, these are never going to be the best for monitoring high-end audio, but for general work and basic video editing, they're actually pretty perfect and quite loud. So that's a look at the design of the Mateview monitor, but the main feature, the reason why I really like using this monitor with my iPad Pro for work, is because you don't get any thick black borders on either side of your content like you do with 99% of other monitors. And it's not because the iPad scales any differently on this monitor, it's because this is a 3:2 aspect ratio, which means the monitor is actually taller than most 16:9 monitors. So when I use my LG Ultrafine monitor, you'll see that I have these big black borders on either side. Because this is 3:2, you end up with only very minimal small black borders, and it looks like your content is almost the same as if you were plugging in a Macbook Pro or a PC desktop. You know, at the moment the iPad doesn't have any ability to scale to monitors, so this is the only way you can get kind of a full viewing experience. So all you need to do is plug in the one USB-C cable into your iPad, and that's it. It powers your iPad and also displays your iPad screen on the big screen, and it looks very sharp. You can of course use a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard with your iPad, so this works as a nice home or office setup, especially if you're a full-time iPad user. This means you can easily fit two full-size web pages or documents side by side, video edit on the big screen, or simply use it as the output monitor to view the final videos that you're making. As this mirrors your iPad, if you pinch to zoom or look at photos, you'll see that this is reflected exactly the same on the monitor. And if you have any videos in your iPad's camera roll, it actually displays these full screen, which is pretty neat. So overall, what do I think? Well, to be honest, I think for under £600, this has got to be one of the best looking 4K monitors you can get for your Mac, especially if you want it for work, business, or home use. It's sleek, it's got speakers, a great port selection, and works better than expected with both my Mac PC and the iPad. It's so nice, I think I'm going to sell the LG Ultrafine display I have in the office and get one of these for myself, as I got this one for Lewis in the office who works for Editor's Keys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, if you're into tech, Tesla, or business, make sure you subscribe, as I have a ton of videos all about those subjects, especially Tesla. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.